differential dry alarm valve. The ZSFC type differential dry alarm valve produced by our company is composed of a valve assembly, air pressure maintaining device, alarm pipeline, pressure switch, hydraulic bell, drainage pipeline, and pressure gauge. It forms a dry system together with closed-type sprinkler heads, fire alarm controllers, piping systems, control valves, inflation equipment, and water supply facilities suitable for environments with temperatures below 4 degrees Celsius or above 70 degrees Celsius. Operating principle. The dry alarm valve is installed in the system. Inject an appropriate amount of base water into the valve to submerge the valve disc. Charge the system side with gas at a predetermined pressure. Charge the water supply side with water at a predetermined pressure. The valve disc remains sealed due to the pressure difference, keeping the alarm valve in a standby state. In the event of a fire, the ambient temperature rises. The thermal sensitive element of the sprinkler head activates, starting to vent. The air pressure on the system side quickly drops to the trigger point. The pressure on the valve disc becomes unbalanced and is pushed open by the water pressure. Pressurized water flows into the pipeline network and the system switches to a wet system. Simultaneously, the hydraulic bell alarms, the pressure switch activates, and the fire pump is interlocked to start, supplying water to the system for fire extinguishing. During commissioning, the dry alarm valve is installed vertically on the flush system pipeline, with all components correctly and completely assembled. Press the reset handle to ensure the valve disc is in the closed position. Close all valves. Start the air compressor and adjust the output air pressure value. Adjust the pressure regulating valve on the air pressure maintaining device. Adjust the corresponding air pressure value according to the project design water supply pressure, referring to the table below. And lock it. Open the base water ball valve. After injecting an appropriate amount of base water into the base water funnel to submerge the valve disc, close the base water ball valve. Open the intake ball valve and inflate the valve to the predetermined air pressure. Inject predetermined pressure water not lower than 0.14 MPa on the water supply side and slowly open the inlet fire signal butterfly valve. The valve assembly is in a ready-to-work state. Open the test ball valve to vent and release pressure. When the air pressure drops to the trigger point, the valve disc is pushed open by the water pressure and the pressurized water enters the valve assembly. The hydraulic bell alarms, the pressure switch activates and the valve assembly operates normally. Close the inlet fire signal butterfly valve. The intake ball valve, pressure switch and hydraulic bell stop operating. Press the reset handle to return the sliding disc to the closed state. Close the test ball valve when no water flows out. Open the outlet fire signal butterfly valve, intake ball valve and quick inflation valve to quickly inflate the pipeline network. Close the quick inflation valve when the air pressure approaches the predetermined pressure. After the pressure stabilizes, slowly open the inlet fire signal butterfly valve and inject the predetermined pressure water. When no water flows out from the automatic drain valve, the commissioning is complete and the system is in an adaptive state.